Have you ever wondered how an idea for a new treatment is born and how it evolves into an approved therapy for disease? Hello, I'm Dr. Tony Capone and I'm president of the Pediatric Retinal Research Foundation. In this installment of our Minute with the President series, I'd like to shed some light on what's been termed translational research, or the journey from the laboratory bench to the bedside, the translation of an idea into a therapy. The life cycle of a new drug therapy starts with the idea, of course, often drawn from the experience doctors gain in taking care of their patients, typically related to the biological cause of the disease. A new insight into how something is supposed to work and how it goes wrong. The first step is to take this idea to the laboratory, where basic scientists will conduct experiments to understand how a disease process and all of its components work. For example, a genetic mutation that results in an abnormal chemical pathway that produces a disease. This understanding leads to the design of the potential solution, such as a new drug or other treatment, to repair the problem or offset the abnormal process causing the disease. The step after that is the so-called translational phase, taking that idea, designing a treatment, and bridging the gap, or translating it, from the lab to a treatment. A potential intervention which could lead to a treatment usually needs to be validated in individual cells, then in models of disease, to determine if the proposed intervention is both safe and effective. These steps are critical to ensure, to the best degree that one can, that the treatment is safe and effective enough to be applied to humans. The last step is the clinical trial phase. Medical research studies in which people volunteer to participate, generally because there's no treatment for their problem or a better treatment is desired. This is the bedside part of the bench to bedside equation. If an intervention successfully completes all clinical trial stages, pharmaceutical companies or drug companies will seek regulatory approval from the FDA in the United States or the European Medicines Agency, or EMA, in Europe, so that their treatment can be licensed for use in their particular countries. Reaching the end goal of an approved therapy will always rely on a strong working relationship between scientists, the clinical community, and patients. I hope that you found this brief overview of the journey from bench to bedside informative. As always, thank you for your support of the Pediatric Retinal Research Foundation. This is Dr. Capone, signing off until next time.